Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabli. So in this video, we are going to learn how to set up webhook inside Como. So here, Como is a user-friendly CRM tool that helps businesses manage their interactions with customers. It's designed to streamline your sales process by organizing contacts, tracking communication, and automating follow-ups. People use Como because it makes it easier to keep track of leads and customers, ensuring no important conversations or opportunities are missed. With features like visual sales pipelines, automated workflows, email integration, and detailed reporting, Como helps businesses stay organized and improve their sales performance. The visual sales pipelines provides a clear overview of where each deal stands, while automated workflows handle routine tasks, freeing up more time for your team to focus on closing deals. All of this combines to provide a pleasant experience, making customer relationship management simpler and more effective. So here in this video, I'm going to show you how you can build a connection between your Como and other applications using an automation software in order to send your information from Como to any other application. So here to set up this connection, we are going to use a type of integration that is webhook. So here webhook is going to act as a bridge between your Como account and Pabbly Connect so that it can send the information from Como to Pabbly Connect on a specific event. And further you can connect your Como with any other application so that you can transfer that data from your Como account to any other application. Now here, before moving forward with this connection, here on my screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. So here to set up the webhook inside Como, what we are going to do is that we are going to select a trigger application as Como, and if you want to further forward this detail to any other application, then you can select that specific application in your action step here. So here, as I've already told you, that your workflow can contain a single trigger step but multiple action steps. That means you can forward your data to multiple applications in one go. So here I'm going to show you step by step how you can connect your Como account with Pabbly Connect. So for that, I'm going to set up my trigger, and here in my trigger application, I'm going to search for Como. So here I'm going to select my trigger application, and now here in my trigger event, I'm going to select new lead. So here let's imagine that I am a lead manager of a particular company and I am using Como to generate new leads. So here in this case, I want whenever I receive a new lead in my Como lead form, automatically Pabbly Connect should capture the response over here, and after that automatically that lead should be added in my Google Sheets so that I can have all the lead details at one place. So if I want to build this connection, then I'm going to take Google Sheets in this action step over here. So here moving back to my trigger step, and here I've selected my trigger event as new lead. But you can select your trigger events for new contact, new company, new customer or new task. So here we are going to generate a new lead, and here you can see we have received a webhook URL. That means we are going to use this webhook URL to connect our Como account with Pabbly Connect. So here, following the instructions given below, here I've already logged in my Como account, and from here I'm going to click on the settings given on the left side corner. And now here under settings, you can see we have received the option for integrations, and under integrations, you can see we have received the options for webhooks on our top right corner. So here I'm going to click on this, and now here under webhooks, we are going to click on this add webhook over here. And here you can see it is asking for a URL. So here to get this URL, let me take you back to Pabbly's window, and here I'm going to copy this webhook URL. Moving back to my Como account, and here I'm going to enter the webhook URL. Now here, after selecting this webhook URL, here I'm going to select the event. So here for the event, I'm going to select incoming lead added, so that whenever a new incoming lead will be added, automatically the response will be sent to this webhook URL. And now here, after selecting the event, I'm going to click on the save given over here. And here you can see we have successfully set up the webhook in our Como account. So moving back to Pabbly's window, and here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a webhook response, we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we need to generate a new test lead using our Como lead form. So for that, let me take you to my lead form which I have created with the help of Como. So here you can see the form which I have created, and here I'm going to enter dummy data and do a test submission. So here for the full name, I'm going to enter the name as dummy user, a random phone number, and here I'm going to enter the email as dummy@pablitudes.com. And now here, after entering all the details, here I'm going to click on this submit. And here you can see we have successfully submitted the form. So moving back to Pabbly's window, and here you can see we have successfully received a response here where we have received the source ID, source data such as the lead's name, phone number, email and some other details. So with this, we have successfully set up this connection. Now once we have set up this connection, then whenever a new lead is generated using our lead form which we have created using Como, automatically that lead details will be captured by Pabbly Connect. So after getting the information over here, you can send that information automatically to another application by simply building a connection between Como and that application using an automation software which is Pabbly Connect. So for that, you simply have to take your trigger as Como and the other application to which you want to send the data, you have to take that application in your action step over here. So that whenever Pabbly Connect will receive the response on any specific event, automatically that data will be transferred to that application in one go. Okay, so these were the steps to how to set up a webhook inside Como. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can contact us on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can contact us on www.pabbly.com. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.